So what's up everybody, this is Moto Vibe back with another video. So I think this will be my first motor vlog ever on my channel, and today I'm just gonna do a little bit introduction about myself and the channel. So the channel's name is Moto Vibe, and I've kept that name because I like to ride bikes a lot, and no matter how much tired I am or how busy I am, I always tend to find a reason to take my bike out. So that is why I named it Moto Vibe. It translates into motorcycle mood or motorcycle riding mood or something like that. So there's nothing much behind it. And coming to myself, I am 20 years old. So I'm doing my fourth year BTech in computer science and engineering. One of a well-known college in Hyderabad, and I stay in Begumpet, Hyderabad. So that's it about myself. I stay with my parents, and I have a younger brother who's doing first year engineering again. So that's it about myself, and I ride a Suzuki Gixxer SF 2015 model, the non-rear disc variant, carbureted variant, which I bought in early 2016. So it's been like 1 year. So that's about the bike which I ride. So what can you expect on this channel? So you can expect motovlogs, reviews and DIY stuff that I do on my bike or any other bike which I can get my hands on, and also walk arounds and first ride impressions of many bikes which are gonna come in near future. So what's the motto behind the channel? So there's nothing like I want to show India through my eyes or something like that. The simple motto is before knowing the motto of this channel, you should listen a short story of myself. So I am riding bike since 8 years now. I started riding when I was in 8th class, that is in 2008, and I started off with directly with a gear motorcycle, that is a Splendor Plus. Back then my dad used to own a Splendor Plus, so I started off with that, and I should say till last 2 years I didn't had a helmet. I used to ride very recklessly. I used to drive very fast and all that stuff. Basically, if I had to tell it in short, I was a squid. Used to all this stuff, motor vlogging and all the other biking culture. Fortunately, I was introduced to all this stuff by my friend who is a crazy rider, motor vlogging and all that stuff. He's my classmate and one of my good friend. So make sure to check his channel out. He is a little inactive these days because of this college work that we have, but I guess from now on he'll be active, and I'll be active as well. So he introduced me to all this stuff, and he told me all about this in college. And once I went home, I started searching about it on YouTube, and then I got I came across a lot of motovloggers. Like the first one is Augie F, and then Everyday India, and then Mumbaikar Nikhil. Back then he was at around 10k or 7k subscribers, but he's pretty famous now. After watching all these videos from Augie F and all the other motovloggers, there was a sudden change in my mind, and I changed the way I ride my bike. I started being responsible, on road, and all the stuff happened. I got myself a helmet, and everything happened. I don't. So now I ride very responsibly. I don't do reckless riding in the cities, or I don't do speeding in cities much, and now I follow all the traffic rules and everything. So that's the change in me that happened because of, you know, YouTube channel, because all these motor bloggers who, you know, spread the awareness through their channel. So I want to do the same. I want to educate people about traffic laws and responsibilities that they have to, you know, take care about while they are on road. So that's the motto that you know, I think, and I wanted to spread awareness about traffic rules and all the responsibilities that a biker or a, you know, even a car guy should follow while he's on road. So that's the thing. So I think that's the introduction part which we are done with, and